Hey YouTube, what's going on? It's Sam's Diecast Showroom here, bringing you guys another brand new video. Today we got a couple of awesome Hot Wheels here, and as you may know if you're a collector, these are the new Dollar General exclusives. There are four in the set. I don't have the other two. One of them is a Super Cub Honda custom bike in yellow. Forgot what the other one was, but I'll post it on the screen right now. 69 Ford Mustang Boss 302 and the Koenigsegg Gemera. So this one, the regular one, is green and blue. The regular ones of these are yellow. They made a yellow one and then a orange, or a kind of like a reddish color. But the black one's Dollar General exclusive. This Mustang is Dollar General exclusive as well. Enough talking about them. Let's get them open. I got duplicates of each, so I don't have a problem opening these because I got other ones to keep in the package. All right, then and now series, 10 of 10 on the Mustang, 244 of 250 on the year, and this is from the 2024 B case, although these are 2023 releases actually, but they carried them over. They do weird stuff with the exclusives. It doesn't make sense sometimes. Cars from the past and present, can you collect all 5 pairs? And since this is an exclusive, this doesn't have a variant, a counterpart to this particular color. Pretty awesome. And the Koenigsegg Gemera in black is from the Hot Wheels Exotic Series, 4 of 10, 188 of 250 for 2023. From the 2024 B case as well. Exotic supercars, always ready to race. All right, we're going to open up the Mustang first. I'll put a picture on screen of what the regular Mustang looks like. But now we're going to be opening up the Dollar General exclusive variant, the rare variant. This is going for like $5. Ooh, I opened it. Okay, well, anyways. Oh, what a beauty. Black plastic base, S37 base code. Don't go crazy. They're just main lines. I got extras. I don't have a problem opening them. Damage card. Look at that. Wheels spin very great. Love this casting. 69 Boss 302. My dad is a 1970 Mustang with a 302 in it. Look at that. Falken livery. Falken tires. I love the Falken livery. They come up with such cool combos for colors. There's Ford right there. Beautiful diecast right here. Love the spoiler, and it looks like the rear is connected to the base. The bumper is connected to the base. It's a black plastic base, by the way. Pretty neat, pretty neat. Got the chrome muscle car 5-spokes, MC5s. Falken right there. Metallic gray is the color on this, with a regular blue color for the Tampo design. Check it out, guys. Black interior, hard to see in there. There's the front with that custom little splitter there. Is that custom? There's got to be custom parts on this. Look at that. Very nice. All right, and now let's take a look at the Koenigsegg. I don't know too much about this vehicle in real life, but anyway, let's get it open. I've opened some in the past. I've opened pretty much every other color in the past. So if you guys want to check those out, you can just look them up on my channel, or if I remember, I'll link it in the description or something, or maybe up here. Wow, beautiful gloss black. This has got to be my new favorite release of it. Just a clean black, black on black, on black, on black. Wow. So black interior, black body, black wheels, and black base. It's a plastic base made in Malaysia. Fingerprints are getting all over it, and it's okay. I can wipe them off. No chrome on it. These are black 10 spokes. They spin very well. Look at that Koenigsegg. Very nice. I think this is a 4-seater. It is a 4-seater. That's right. It's a family supercar. Isn't that cool, guys? Yeah. Screw the Chrysler Town & Country. Get one of these. It's much better and totally not more expensive or anything. Look at those taillights. Pretty dang cool. Love the design of this Hot Wheels. I mean, I don't know if it's the best looking Koenigsegg. I think I'd rather have a Gemera R, to be honest, or a Jesko. But, I mean, Koenigsegg is a Koenigsegg, man. This is a sweet ride. Is the interior... What? Oh, shoot. Okay. That made it very hard to see how tinted those windows were. That is a yellow interior, not a black interior. I don't know what I was thinking. Yellow interior. That even, I like that better, to be honest. A yellow freaking interior. Beautiful Koenigsegg Gemera in black. Anyway, thank y'all for watching. Really appreciate the support on the channel, guys. Thanks for getting us to 714 subscribers. Pretty sweet. I'm gonna try to start a small business here with my buddy Logan, and we're gonna try selling some stuff and creating something. So, yeah, guys. As it develops, I'll post it more on this channel here. But right now, we're just gonna unbox cars, have fun, display them on the channel. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe for more, and I'll catch you in the next one. Adios.